In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Economic Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find key economic releases and how to view them in a way that fits your trading routine. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform. Once it loads, head to the top of the platform and select the Market Watch tab. This is where Thinkorswim consolidates tools that help you monitor what's happening now and what's coming up. Inside Market Watch, click on the Calendar sub-tab. You'll see a calendar grid in the main area and a panel on the left for fine-tuning what appears. On the left panel, locate the event filters. To focus strictly on macroeconomic data, make sure Economic Events or Economic Releases is checked. This filter narrows the calendar to the high-level reports that can move markets, such as CPI, jobs numbers, GDP, manufacturing surveys, and central bank-related items. Keeping this filter on helps reduce noise so you can quickly spot the most impactful scheduled events. At the top right of the calendar, choose the view that matches how you plan. Day shows you a focused timeline of today's releases and their exact times. Week gives a broader snapshot so you can prepare for clusters of data across several sessions. Month is great for scanning ahead to find major releases or policy dates so nothing sneaks up on you. List provides a compact, scrollable rundown that's easy to skim when you want a simple agenda without the calendar grid. Click any date on the calendar to bring that day into focus. Below the calendar, you'll see the events list for the selected period. Pay attention to the time, which indicates when the release is scheduled, the event name, which tells you what report is coming out, and the description, which offers quick context about the metric and why it matters. Times typically follow the platform's set time zone, so keep that in mind if you track releases from different regions. When you find an item you care about, click the economic event to open its details. Here, you'll usually see a clear explanation of what the report measures, along with figures such as previous readings and the consensus forecast. After the data is released, you can compare the actual number with expectations to gauge potential market impact. These details help you plan around volatility, decide whether to tighten risk, or simply stay out of the way until the dust settles. That's all there is to it. Use the filters to focus on economic releases. Pick the view that suits your planning horizon, click a date to see what's on deck, and open individual events for deeper context.